Alright, since the year 2030 is upon us, and that's like 5 years left to go, and I guess everyone's has to go electric. And these gas prices right now are like $3, so who knows where they're gonna go. Man, they ain't stopping either, even with this new administration. But yeah, this is what $15 gets me too. And look at those lights go. But yeah, I think it's time back to bring back the Surron. But damn, I miss those sunsets. Or do I miss these high jumps I've seen? I don't know. But boy, that boy can jump. And I don't know. Maybe just that feeling getting stopped by cops. Yeah, fuck 12. But maybe it's also those cool tricks I always seen and how wanted to know how to do. Cause yeah, I can't do that. But this is all I can do. As you seen, ain't no fucking wheelie. That boy can barely put it up. Yeah, homie got a lot of work to do. Or maybe I don't know. Maybe it was just those nighttime bike rides we had with friends. And boy, there was some days. But I know one thing. I need to get my ass back out there. And yeah, let's see how this shit fucking goes, man. But before I do that, I'm gonna get my helmet back on because I know Canada's about to yell at my ass for not wearing no helmet, even though I always do. Alright, all I think is left to do is show you how I got my Surron back working again. And let me tell you, it was not easy. Alright, here's the main thing we need. As you can see, the fucking forks. Yes, sir. It's looking good though. I think this shit has this, because this is the thing I was hoping this shit had. And I think it has everything else. But yeah, this should be the thing we need. Other stuff. Let me open other stuff now. I think it just fucking breaks, I guess. There you go, just breaks. Oh, this is that on and off switch. What's this? Alright, the bearing's the most important thing I needed. Shit. This is also why I bought this. That's why I wanted those. Alright, next. Brake. What? Stem. Alright, so this is the throttle. What's this? Might be the on and off switch thing, probably. And I think I saw got the Hope Tech brakes. The front and back. These shits are about to look nice now. But man, I just need fucking all I gotta do now is fucking look up a YouTube video how to fucking put this shit on. And I think that should be it. Other than that, let's get right into this shit, bro. Alright, time to do some research, man. Because I don't know how to fucking put these bearings on. Hopefully, someone on YouTube that knows how to do this, because I don't. And yeah, hopefully this is easy. Alright guys, so this is where I fucked up, man. Just watch. Man, this is how you're supposed to do it. And this is how the bearing's supposed to look and when it's inside right. So yeah, just follow this YouTube video. Put the link down below. And yeah, yeah, they didn't do this shit right. Fuck. Yeah, I should have went a clean rag. Fuck, what I thinking. Alright guys, so we kinda got a dilemma, man. Supposed to put it like this, but this is where it gets stuck. So I don't know. Can't really pound it either too, but yeah, just get stuck. Alright, time to put this shit on. See if I did it right, which I don't think I did, but fuck it, here we go. After many wins later, finally got that shit on. Yes, sir. Trying to put the throttle on. Hopefully this shouldn't come broken. Look at that. Ooh. This shit about to look nice. Shouldn't be that hard. And then we'll see if this shit runs or not. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this is what the fucking Surron's looking like. Looking a lot better, man. But right now I just put the throttle in, and I'm gonna check this shit if this shit works or not. But hopefully this shit turns on back, bro. Shit, battery is at 90%, bro. I'll show you right now. Yes, you can see, like 90%. And then let's see if this shit turns on or not, boy. The battery turned on. There's life on that. Ignition. Everything's good. It's good, bro. Oh, let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's we're fucking riding this shit today, bro. I gotta do the brakes and everything, but let's fucking go. Roll, baby, roll. Alright, let's stop there. But hey man, it fucking works. Let's go. Alright man, let's turn the lights on and everything. And yeah, let's bring this shit back in the road. Oh, the brakes are gonna be a bitch to put on. I already know that. Alright, well we know this shit works. Take the battery out, turn the shit back off. Yeah, we gotta put the brakes on. I gotta put the light on too. Hopefully this shit comes with the, this shit's the, what do you call it? We got the horn and the, you know. Alright guys, so I think I've kind of put it on. Sort of. Whatever, it'll do for right now. But yeah, I need to put this shit on now to turn this light on and off. Light is on there, but not really. It'll do for right now, just because I'm about to go ride. And yeah, I'm probably gonna zip tie that shit right now or some shit. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's how the light's gonna be. And time to put this fucking on and off switch now. See you guys when I'm doing this shit. Alright guys, last but not least is these fucking brakes, which I don't know how to fucking do. So time to go watch another fucking YouTube channel. Yeah, hopefully we fucking put the shit on right. If not, we finna bloof the fuck out. But yeah, this is what Surron's looking like. No fucking thing, cause you guys saw fucking horn was on, so might be defective, I don't know. But yeah, time to put the brakes on, and then we're gonna be fucking spinning in this shit. Yes sir. Alright guys, thing is ready to ride, bro. Need the best work, but definitely need new brake lines or some shit, because these are too long. Yep. But that's how it's looking like, bro. That shit looking not bad. But man, let's go for a ride now. Let's go. Alright guys, so you guys can see shit's bright as shit, the light is, but I'm not sure if you can see it with the camera. See if you can see it from here. Where is it at? But basically that is scraping that shit. Yeah, we can hear it. You hear that? Yeah, that's fucking the brake hitting that, but I don't know, man. It rides though. But fuck that, man. Let's go to the daytime and actually show you how the fucking bike looks and shit. Cause at night, it don't do it justice. But see you guys tomorrow, man. Alright, y'all. Just made it to the track. Let's see what the fuck going on here. God damn. Oh shit. Oh man, this shit's so sandy. Holy fuck. God damn, this shit's so sandy. Okay, I cannot go fast on this bitch. Holy fuck. They fucked this shit up, bro. Hey yo, hold on. Put up on my foot. Damn, bro. This is a track, but then how you guys see that? Oh, that shit's, this track is fucked up, bruh. Damn. Let's go check it out, man. We're at the track. Let's see, check the suspension. Even though I think right now it's the best right now. So let's test the suspension out. Let's see if it's like good. If it's a good build or not. If I didn't build right. Hopefully shit don't fall off and shit. So, but yeah, let's see if the Surron rides good like it used to. Alright, I don't really want to go fast because, well, here I think I can. Oh shit. God damn. Okay, now this part is sandy as shit. Holy fuck. God damn. Oh shit. Yo, I'm spinning out. God damn. Alright, let's go. I don't think I can go up on that one. Oh, here's the sandy part. Fuck. Oh, I'm going up right now. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Alright, hold on. I'm about to fall off. I don't do this shit right. God damn it. Whoa. I guess this is the top track, guys. Hopefully it's not as sandy, but it looks like it is, bro. Someone should really hold this shit down, but where the fuck is the water? I mean, they do have water, but I don't think they do it. Man, imagine the jump right there, bro. That should be nice. But too bad this is really not meant for that. Either way, let's go ride this fucking course. Ah! I gotta be careful too. Oh shit. Ow. That shit looks dope though. Oh. I gotta watch out here. Holy fuck. Alright. Well, that's pretty cool. I think I should put the drone up and just see how fucking big this shit is. I'll show you the area view of this. Alright, this should be a good spot, right? Hopefully. To see the shot. Oh, let's fucking ride it, might as well. Fuck it. Ah. Oh shit. That's pretty fun. I wish the wish was a lot like smoother, but fuck. Maybe when it rains or something, bro. Well, let me get my drone before I fuck this shit up. Perfect. Hold on, do you think it'll feel like a jump over here? I'm just gonna go run up. Hold on, let's try before we leave. Over here, right? Not really. But it can be made to one though. Man, this course is bigger than I thought though, low key. Hold on. Oh, someone's definitely been here. And that was not as much fun as this one. Hold on, let me do this again. I don't know. Suspension is good though. Sheesh. I guess I did build this right though. Shit nice. It's good to go. But I gotta go now, for real. I've been waiting. I've been here too long, and the fucking place is hot. Not gonna lie. Now one more time. Oh shit. Alright, let's go home now. Let's go home now. That's just so fun. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We did restore the Surron. It's back to working again. But other than that, hope you guys liked the video, subscribe, and other than that, I'm out. But here's this message brought to you by JD Vance, man.
You know, my message to young men is I think that our culture sends a message to young men that you should suppress every masculine urge. You should to cast aside your family. You should try to suppress what makes you a young man in the first place. And I think that my message to young men is don't allow this broken culture to send you a message that you're a bad person because you're a man, because you like to tell a joke, because you like to have a beer with your friends, or because you're competitive. It's...
Okay, what if I have 5 baby mamas?